Hi everyone, we are here to represent our project. Our project is B41 DA017, the modulus. Our project is HR data analytics. So we are here to discuss some topics. And I am Nisi Grace. My student code is FD39068, and my teammates are Hemalata and Rupal. Hemalata and Rupal, can you introduce yourself? Over to you, Hemalata.
Yes, Nisi, good morning. My name is Hemlata Kasturi and my student ID is FD39_144. And I'm here to answer some of your questions. And I would like to go with Rupal. Rupal, over to you.
Thank you, Himlata. My name is Rupal Jha. I am a full-time data analytics student at Masai, and my student code is FD39265. And I am Nisi's under Nisi's team, and I would like to answer the questions posed to me.
Yeah, thank you for introducing yourself. So, Hemalata, I have and Rupal, I have few questions for you. So, can I start, Hemalata?
Yeah, sure. Nisi, go ahead, please.
Okay, my first question is, how did you collaborate with other team members on this project?
In this project, not only me and Rupal, and you also face a disagreement about the direction for a dashboard, where we have some, we have multiple options to choose, and we want to keep it like a minimalist, and we want to keep it like a GIF, GIF format and all, and that was a really hard to come to a conclusion where where what we want to keep and where we want to keep. And so we had a discussion to understand everyone proposal at the same time, and we had a discussion to get onto a point. So I keeping that in my mind, I contributed my part and to make the design good, look good, at the same time make it as a dynamic.
Yeah.
That
Uh,
is what we resoluted our conflict.
yeah, okay. My next question is, can you give me an example on how you resolved a conflict or a disagreement?
Yes, Nisi, that was so after keeping a idea of a dashboard, so I felt I want to hear everyone options and I want to go with the everyone feedback. So I see now I'm seeing that after keeping all the topics and all the ideas and all the gifts and all what we wanted to keep in our dashboard, and we came a conclusion to keep what we want and what we don't want to exaggerate. So that is how I came to the conclusion. At the same time, how from my side I solved the resolution. I'm sorry, I solved the conflict about that.
Okay, okay. Yeah, we all discussed and solved the conflicts. Okay, my next question is, what is your contribution to the project?
Yes, in this project I had a little bit contribution only. I am not saying I contributed everything, but what my contribution is to make the dashboard look minimal at the same time with a nice theme. We don't want to, like add all the things in one dashboard. And I contributed the buttons. That is from my side in this project.
Okay, describe a situation where you had to incorporate feedback when you had to incorporate feedback from others into your project, like from the outside or between your group.
Yeah. Uh, when I was working on the buttons, I had a doubt about if we can add the gifts that would be look good, not good, great. So that is, I had to review others also, and I had to ask others also how they're doing. So that is from them I have an idea how to add everything. So I incorporated the feedback from them to add some, GIF functions in our dashboard.
Thank you, Hemlata, for answering the questions.
Thank
Rupal.
Yes, Nisi.
So my first question for you is, what specific technologies did you use, and why did you choose them for this project?
Um, so we use quite a few technologies in this, And the first we used was, of course, Microsoft Power BI, and it's really a great data visualization tool, which gives us a user friendly interface. We use Microsoft's Power BI's DAX functions, which allowed us advanced calculations and for deriving insights like average salaries, attrition rates, etc. We used MySQL for data preparation to extract, transform, and clean data. And SQL is really good in handling large data sets. And another thing we used was Power Query for ETL operations. And we also use Google Drive as our cloud storage for EDA.
Okay. My next question is to you is did you encounter any performance issues? How did you identify and address them?
So yes, there were two or three issues regarding the dashboard, and one of the significant issues was slow calculations in DAX. So when we apply multiple layers of filtering and iterations, it often slows operations, and this can be detected using Power BI's inbuilt feature, which is Performance Analyzer, and we can use it by aggregating data and also by removing unnecessary columns. And you can also optimize DAX queries, so it improves the speed of data processing, and efficient aggregations overall help in that.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So, what was the purpose of using slicers and filters in the dashboards, and how did you enhance your user interactivity?
So the purpose of slices and filters is used to customize views and focus on specific subsets of data, without needing additional dashboards. Uh, if we want to go into specific details like gender based salary trends, or salary analysis for specific years, we use slicers and filters which allow us to pick certain years where we have to visualize that data. And it allows dynamic filtering, and it's also used for comparative analysis.
Yeah, Rupal, thank you for your answers. So, I have done from my side. You can continue if you have any questions for me.
Yes, Nisi, I have some questions for you.
Yeah.
I'd like to ask them. So, and I would like to ask, how do the dashboard helps HR team in making data-driven decisions?
Yeah, the dashboards provides a clear and interactive insights into various aspects of HR data, helping the HR team to analyze and act based on the real information rather than assumptions. For example, we have the employee details rather than assuming the details of the employees or the performance of the employees. They can go into the employees page and then he can search for that particular use the slices and use the code of that employee, and it will give the uh, details of that employee, the performance analysis and that. So rather than making assumptions, the hr means can use this dashboards to act on the data and data driven analysis.
Okay, Nisi. And I have one more question. Why did you choose this project for our team, and what visualization in Power BI you find it most challenging?
So creating visualization is Power BI is not inherently challenging because Power BI offers user-friendly tools and a variety of chart options. However, the real challenge starts in choosing lies in the choosing the right visualization for the data. Before deciding on the visualization, we have to analyze the data and understand what the story it tells to us. So we have to consider perspective of HR manager, what who are the primary users of the dashboard. So we have to create that, and selecting the correct visualization for the data is the toughest thing than the creating the visualization in a dashboard.
Okay, that's great. And how did you ensure seamless navigation between the dashboard pages?
So the we created buttons. We created buttons. These buttons are designed to be easily noticeable and labeled clearly to indicate their purpose. So the linking to the pages has done using action property in Power BI. We linked each button to the respective dashboard page. This allows user to navigate to the desired page within single click. The buttons are positioned at the same spot across the all pages, making it intuitive for users to navigate without confusion.
Thank you, Nisi. That's from my side.
Yeah. Rupal, do you have any questions?
No, no further questions. I think Himlatha covered all the topics really well.
Yeah, thank you. And for from this, we think we have cleared our doubts.
Yes.
Thank you, everyone.